I just figured out what my cat's chirping about. There's birds up there. I guess you can hear her. Yeah, there's birds up here in the Staples sign. They really have her attention. She wants to go play with the birdies.